President Obama is laying the groundwork for a major shift in the fight against terror. In his policy speech yesterday, the president said the United States will focus more on smaller terror networks and homegrown extremists. With us now, Bob Schieffer, our chief Washington correspondent and host of Face the Nation. Bob, good morning. This seems like a major... Good morning. It seems like a major speech sort of defining the nature of war, the nature of terrorism, and what the tactics will be, and who does what, the CIA or the military. What's your take on this?
I think that's right, and I think that's what this is. I think this is a realignment of forces. It is a redrawing of strategy on how we're going to confront terrorism. The president said yesterday, and the quote that everybody is picking up is that this war, like all wars, must end. But you just cannot declare this war is over. It takes two to tango, as it were. The war will be over when the terrorists stop attacking us. And I think the government's going to have to be very careful that this is not misread by those on the other side. This does not mean, as I understand it, that we're going to stop tracking down these terrorists or any of that kind of thing, or confronting them when we find them. It means that, well, for one thing, we're going to bring this large force of people home from Afghanistan and use those resources in a different way. But it's going to be a lot of controversy about this, Charlie. A lot of Republicans are going to say this is premature, this is not yet over, and that it will be misunderstood. But this was a speech that's been a long time coming, and at least we have something of the president's vision of how we go, where we go and how we go from here.
The president also said yesterday, Bob, that he wants to protect journalists from the government's overreach. And now comes news this morning that Attorney General Eric Holder signed off on allowing an investigation into some reporters' emails. Is that an awkward position?
Well, I think what's interesting here, the president has said that he wants Attorney General Holder to be the one who does this review about protecting reporters' rights and all of that, when it is the Justice Department, of course, that has caused all this controversy. I mean, the president's saying he wants to review this and he wants to protect reporters' sources. I think a lot of journalistic organizations and the people who run them are going to view this with skepticism. They'll go back to the old Ronald Reagan trust but verify, because the last time they introduced a Shield law, it was the president in this administration that watered it down, and it just laid there. Nothing ever happened. They're going to now reintroduce that same legislation. But I think a lot of people are just waiting to see how serious the president is about this, because there's no question in the minds of many journalistic organizations, and there's no question in my mind, this was an outrageous overreach when they subpoenaed all these records at the Associated Press and some of these other instances as well.
Bob, thanks. Have a great Memorial Day weekend, even though you'll be working on Sunday, I assume.
Yeah, I will.
This Sunday on Face the Nation, Bob's guests include Oklahoma Governor Mary Fallin, Senator Tom Coburn of Oklahoma, and New York Senator Chuck Schumer. That's this Sunday right here on CBS. Check your local listings.